trending, I show you the way. Social media.
There is literally nothing AI cannot do. Hello guys, and I just want to present to you my branded music or my anthem, Big Benji Tech, and this is gonna blow your mind. I don't want to talk so much, just listen to it and we'll come back here. Let me tell you something. This is done with AI, nothing more, nothing less, just AI. I'll tell you this. And if you want to learn how to create music like this, drop in the comment section and I'll be teaching you exactly how to do this. Let's go.
Let's go! Ho! From zero to trending, I show you the way. Social media coach, I make brands slay. From reels to shorts, from posts to checks. If it's about growth, it's Big Benji Tech. Lover of gadgets, cameras and lights. Editing late through the digital nights. Content creator with passion and style. Turning small pages to money piles. If you want to grow online, if you want your brand to shine, no stress, no worry, no panic. Call Big Benji, it's automatic. Big Benji Tech. Turning your content into a check. Smart moves, no regret. We build your brand on the internet. Big Benji Tech. Digital boss, we earn respect. Tech lover with intellect. Number one, Big Benji Tech. Got a business, I advertise it. Bring your product, I publicize it. From small startups to big projects, we create campaigns that get results. No stress, brand awareness, audience growth. Strategic marketing, that's my oath. Your business shining, that's the goal. Viral content that takes control. Dream it, post it, monetize it. Brand it, grow it, energize it. If you need promotion done correct, contact Big Benji Tech. Open for adverts, ready to work. Professional vibes, no lazy work. From Baenda to Africa and everywhere, Big Benji Tech, we take you there. Big Benji Tech. From small idea to private jet. Social media, architect, building empires on the internet. Big Benji Tech. Future ready, we connect. If success is what you expect, then you need Big Benji Tech. Big Benji Tech. Big Benji Tech. Big Benji Tech. Big Benji Tech.
Can somebody really tell me that you didn't enjoy that song? That is done totally with AI. And I don't know how you feel when you saw that music, what you listened, the lyrics, everything that was said in the music. It was done by AI. I used two things, AI and ChatGPT. Comment in the comment section you want something like this and I'm going to tell you. And if you want me to create it for you, I can help you create it. All right? Remember, it's not free of charge. But if you want to learn, I'm still going to teach you. So comment in the comment section. Tell me you like this song. Share this song. Like the video. Save this video as a favorite. And then tell me in the comment section you like the song and you want something like this for yourself. I can create for your birthday parties, marriages, and every occasion that you want. Anything that you want, we can do it for you. I was shocked when I listened to this song. I was shocked. Let's go. Enjoy this. Please share this video.
Post it, monetize it, brand it, grow it, energize it. If you need promotion done correct, contact Big Benji Tech. Open for adverts, ready to work. Professional vibes, no lazy work. From Baenda to Africa and everywhere, Big Benji Tech, we